guys, so in today's video we're gonna ignore the fact that I made the last video 3 months ago and we're gonna move right along. Today's video is going to be about color correcting. Does it work? Does it not work? What better day than today to find out, because I have breakouts, redness, darkness. I was about to say something else. But yeah, we're gonna try out today. This is the Maybelline Master Camo color correcting pen, and it's just like a little pen. Comes with a little applicator. It twists up. It's pretty red. I'm a little scared. And for the redness, this is for darkness, which I feel like I have like some kind of, I guess from hyperpigmentation, I have like redness right here. I have darkness right here, like in my, where I contour. But I have that. I have hyperpigmentation down here. I have my redness here. So for the redness, we're going to use the green in here, which this is the NYX Color Correcting Concealer palette. Let's get right into it. First of all, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications and hit that thumbs up button. Leave me any suggestions below. Please feel free to share this video, and let's just go ahead and do this thing. So I already went ahead and primed with my Benefit Professional. I've seen a few people do this, like color correct with the red, and I'm just super scared because it's red on your face. Like, what if you stay in my face? I don't want to walk around with a red shadow on my face. But I've seen NABELA do it, and she does it all the time. And her face is not red. So let's just go ahead and do it. I'm gonna go ahead and just click away. Oh my god. I don't know how much is too much. Whatever. Let's just do it. So I'm gonna put it right here. Oh my god, that's really red. So, okay. A little bit more for the other side. I'm gonna put it right here. Giving myself these two little parentheses right here. Not good, not good. I'm gonna blend that out before I put the green on, and I'm just gonna use this little, I look crazy, Real Technique sponge. It's like one of their mini ones. I'm just gonna blend that out or pat it out. Pray to Jesus. You guys think I did too much? Oh my god! On camera, it looks like I just came off of The Walking Dead. What have I done? Using it? Oh my god. That is so red. It's fine. It's okay. It is okay. It's fine. We can fix this. This is part of the process. Just don't look at yourself. I'm just gonna take my beauty blender and really work that in there. It's my first time using the the Rihanna Fenty foundation. I know I'm late to the show. Okay, that's fine. Just leave it alone. Throw the foundation on it. I'm gonna take the green on the sponge and just, which is what I should have done in the freaking first place. I just have so much discoloration everywhere. I have redness on my forehead. Don't get it on your hands. And we're just gonna keep on blending. Really hoping the Rihanna foundation is as good as the world has said. My best friend has told me countless, or has asked me countless times what I'm doing with my life. So let's just go right ahead. This is not the Rihanna sponge. I'm just gonna use, I used this before for the first time, and I used it with the Makeup Revolution concealer that came out, and that was bad all around. Oh, okay, 2 pumps. Oh man, pray for me, Jesus. Pray for me. Oh, it's not looking too shabby right now. What do we think? The foundation looks like it's onto something. So this is my face with just the foundation on this side. I think it looks pretty flawless. Yes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this side so we can look at everything as a whole. Okay, well, this is a big improvement from when I first came on, no? Yes. So this is the result. This is just foundation. I haven't put on any concealer yet. I'm very impressed with the, I'm very impressed with the foundation, even though this isn't like a foundation review, but it's kind of like a color correcting. Does it work with Fenty? What do you guys think? I'm gonna go ahead and conceal and bronze and all that stuff. Now I'll be back to see how I look with everything done. So this is the finished result. I went ahead and did my little highlight, my contour, my concealer, everything. I must say this is the most flawless my skin has ever been. I would definitely, oh my god, I would definitely use this again. The green I would use again because normally even after I put on foundation, it could be just the magic of Fenty. But with any other foundation I put on, I normally have to pack on the foundation to cover the redness because it always just wants to shine through. Like, just let me live. I would totally keep using this. I'm going to try it on different individuals and see how it goes. My mom wanted to try it, so that should be fun. This here, I don't think it's hyperpigmentation anymore. I think it's just a shadow. Like I have like a natural contour here, I guess. Wow. Mama needs a manicure. I think this is just like a natural hollow of my cheek. Like I don't think it's something that I would like, oh my god, I need filler for this because it's just unacceptable. No. Like it's just something I guess I have to live with. Maybe once the face goes down, face sucks in, weight is gone. Maybe it'll look different and maybe I'll accept it more. I would maybe next time just not go ham with it and put like a big splotch of red on my face. Like start off light. I knew I should have done that, but I was just like, I just wanna see what it does. Don't be surprised if you see me with a red mustache on the next video. Oh, end result, in case you didn't guess it, I'd do it again. I'd use it. I love it. Side note, the Rihanna Fenty foundation. Why did I wait so long? What is wrong with me? I don't know. Like when something is hyped up so much, you just like...
I don't know. I'll take your word for it.
But it's like, I haven't seen not one bad review on it. So I'm like, okay. Like, my friend, my acquaintance, you would think she sells Fenty. Because she's just like, what are you doing? You need to hurry up. Like, what are you waiting for? It's Rihanna. This will be the end of the video. In case you didn't get it, this is the end. Not like the movie. Like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications because there are more videos coming soon. So I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed filming it, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. That wasn't weird at all.